little boy, Daddy used to say to me, son, we got a lot of land, a lot of work to be done. So go to Marbles and build my house, tear down your castle in the sand. Come with Daddy to the old sawmill. Dirt on your hands, or get a little dirt on your hands, boy. Get a little dirt on your hands. If you wanna grow up to be a big, big man, get a little dirt on your hands. When I was 21, thought it was a pretty big deal. I said I'm leaving this mess, going to find a better deal. So I went to the city and I got me a job, and I found out I'm picking up cans. Daddy said the only way to get along in this world is to get a little dirt on your hands. Get a little dirt on your hands. Well, get a little dirt on your hands, boy. Get a little dirt on your hands. You wanna grow up to be a big, big man. Get a little mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. Let them swing hammers and drive pickup trucks. Make them play with their sawmills and such. And mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone 'cause they're driving nails home, 'cause it's something they love. Carpenters ain't
Over here for food, huh, buddy?
love, they're hard to hold. They'd rather build a building than give diamonds and gold. A big hammer loop on his old faded Levi's, a place for his tape. If you don't understand him when you don't die young, they probably built you something too. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up
Well, y'all,
to be carpenters.
I know what y'all thinking. You're thinking, where's the sawmill video? Where is it?
Swing hammers,
Well, if you want to see this lumber being cut up on my sawmill,
make
you're going to have to go to
them play
Family
with their
Homestead
sawmills
on
and
Tuesday night
such.
for Daryl's Filmora editing class that
Mamas,
he
make
does.
sure your babies
And I'm pretty sure he's
grow
going to
up
upload
be
that video on his channel too. That's what I'm hoping he does, that he just keeps that video for himself. He
They're
won't do all the work
always
for that. He has to
alone,
appreciate him for
'cause
the
they're
video out.
driving nails home.
So anyway, folks,
'Cause it's
just
something
remember, if girls don't find you handy like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me,
they're
pray that they find
always
you.
alone.
Y'all come back now, yeah.
Nails
Bye.
because it's something they love.